Part 28.
Mama.
What I've done so far. So on 27, what you did not see me build was I did some research on a heat gun. It turns out this stuff is called the EVA foam. I can't heat it up. It will hold its shape, and it does get harder. I make templates out of cardboard first, and then switch over to that stuff. What I was doing in 27 was attaching this. What I'm going to do is have this sort of fake cylinder piston to hide any screws or anything like that from this back here. Can't see. And you won't be able to see. And then this will all be covered too, so you won't be able to see that. I spent the majority of yesterday constructing half of a leg. Once I get that kind of formed out, I'm going to transfer it over to the EVA foam. But so far, I haven't figured out mechanically how this is going to work yet. But basically, this whole portion, and I'm going to attach. There's more to the leg here. I have this whole thing that I gotta fill in, part of the calf. Let's see how this looks from an angle. Basically, this is gonna come down. This. And then I'll be able to climb in, put my leg in here. And then I'll push a button. And then this will come back up. As it comes up, it'll bring that foot plate up. There you go, everything's in there. I'm secure. Bada bing, bada boom. To get this foam shaped, it'll be one solid piece and it'll be a lot sturdier. What are you doing? Anyway, back at it.
You could convince me to stay up all night with you now. You leave me underdressed and out of time. I'm underdressed and I'm all out of time. I feel all alone. You're just a man of fashion. Feel the dream. Does it seem like we're staring at the sun?
So, last part, I made this groovy cool thing stick on the back. Yeah, little calf muscle, I guess, calf part. Took it apart, and now we're getting into the actual model. What it's gonna look like. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this little seam. I'm gonna use another piece of the EVA foam. See me here, because on the actual frame itself there is a little weld here, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to match it up. And then what I'll do is just not have it so dramatic on the back here. I have it bolted to the leg right now because I'm forming it, but that's essentially what it's gonna look like when it's done. That kind of on the back of it. Had an idea. I'm going to use some molding clay to get some of the detail. So so far so good. So far everything's coming along great. Yeah, I hit my bumps in the road, but it's a learning process. It's coming together. Digging it. Pretty cool. I don't know how I'm gonna get into it, by the way. I kind of tried getting into it last night, and I need a ledge, something like the desk, the height of the desk, to kind of prop myself up on, and then I can get into it. That foot is still huge. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that foot. Since I have it detached, I might be able to make it a little smaller. It just looks so weird still. Anyway, the front piece. That's the next step. Get this solid EVA piece probably. I think no, I'm just gonna keep the knee pad. A little knee pad right here. Make that EVA. Everything else is fine with the cardboard. Yeah, coming together. Coming together. It's hot. It's always hot here in Vegas. Had to take a shower. It was so hot. I'll be back. See you in 5. Here too. Woo. Get ready to put on its meat. Yep. Edit, 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 edit. I don't like editing. Edit. 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 Part 35. 35. Okay, waiting for... So, what I didn't show in the last portion of the video was how I got some of the harder angles on the lower portion of the calf. It's a certain type of cut. I kind of like beveled both edges once I cut it or perforated it, and then I used the heat gun to get a further bend. Doing that allowed me to get a 90-degree bend in it. I need to make sure everything is more, I don't know, even, I guess. Not so much custom. A lot of what I did was eyeball it because I was using drawings and images from the game. Get the bends. I got some nails on either side. And I shape it. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with clay. Pretty cool. Okay, part 35, 36, somewhere around there. I really need a flipping tripod.